dear students, welcome to .B Educators again. Now we have the next unit under the operating system subject, and its introduction of Windows and its programmings. Now we will talk about the Windows, all the related versions of Windows and its features, its benefits. What is Windows in IT world and why we call it window, and what are the various benefits of it. So here it's a slight definition of Windows. बेसिकली हम लोग विंडोज़ को क्या बोलते हैं कॉमनली, अगर आप इसको बोलते हो कि इट्स अ विंडोज़ है क्या, इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोप्राइटरी ग्राफिकल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फैमिलीज, ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ विच आर डेवलप्ड एंड मार्केटेड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. जो आपकी विंडोज़ है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज़ है, MS विंडो है, इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट, it has been developed and it has been distributed by Microsoft. Okay, each family caters to a certain sector of the computing industry. तो यहाँ पे इसकी अलग अलग जो जितने भी वर्जन आएंगी या जितने भी इसकी अलग अलग फैमिली है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उनकी अपनी वर्जन हैं, अपने फीचर्स हैं अंडर अ पर्टिकुलर फैमिली. सो विंडोज़ को अगर आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो तो नॉर्मली जैसे मैंने पहले भी पढ़ा, इट्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स एंड नोन एज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. हम लोग बोलते हैं हमारा ये सिस्टम न्यू है, हमारा लैपटॉप है, हमने इसमें विंडोज़ इंस्टॉल करवाई है. सो व्हाट इज़ विंडोज़? विंडोज़ इज़ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विच इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर विच हेल्प्स टू operate your computer system and which also help to control all the operations and functions of your computer system. It also provides an interface between the user and the computer hardware. So Windows जो है वो आपके पास एक तरह का operating system होता है. First of all, it was produced by Microsoft in November 1985. It has been frequently updated since. अभी तक इसकी versions जो हैं वो आगे further update हो रही हैं. As computer memory has got bigger, as processing chips have got faster, and of course when the internet was invented. तो ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं ये इसके साथ correlate करती हैं. Prior to Windows, PCs were operated by a series of text commands. अब विंडोज़ की जो इन्वेंशन है, अगर हम बात करें तो विंडो को क्यों इन्वेंट किया गया था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विंडोज़ के इन्वेंशन से पहले हमारे पास जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स थे वो किस चीज़ के बिहाफ पे ऑपरेट किए जाते थे, कुछ कमांड्स के बिहाफ पे, जहाँ पे हमारे पास पहले चलता था MS-DOS जो कि था टोटली कमांड ओरिएंटेड बेस्ड सिस्टम था. बट व्हाट इज़ विंडोज़? इट इज़ GUI बेस्ड, सो विच वॉज बेटर देन DOS. Now switching to the next topic in this unit, which is features of Windows. We will elaborate and explain some important features of Windows. So the first point is Windows Easy Transfer. Okay, we can transfer our files or settings from old computers to new computers as it has switching with the older versions of computer system. That's why it's very easily to transfer the files from one computer or from old ones to the new ones. Okay, and the second point is Windows Anytime upgrade. We can upgrade to any higher Windows version available for our system, right? It's very easy and possible to upgrade the versions of Windows at any reasonable factors. And the third point is Windows Basics. It helps us to refresh our knowledge about areas such as security or working with digital pictures. As Windows is already, I have discussed that it is GUI based, which is graphical user interface. So due to this reason, it's very easy and it's very possible factor to work with some terms like security and working with the digital pictures, which is possible in this versions. Okay, the fourth point is the parental controls, right? It has been become properly possible to gain the parental control. Parental controls is what, जहाँ पे आप parental control के accordingly कौन से अकाउंट को जो आपने क्रिएट कर रखे हैं अपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के ऊपर, किस अकाउंट को कौन सी प्रिविलेजेस आपने असाइन करनी है. दिस इज पॉसिबल इन केस ऑफ Windows systems. Okay, it gives the means to decide when our children use the computer. Like if you have many accounts on your computer system, then by assigning the parental control or through the parental control, you will decide which account will use which service. And the fifth point is easy to access center. It is the place to find and change the settings, right? It is a particular place where you can find the things and easily change or modify them with ease access. And the sixth point is default program. It is the place where we adjust and set our default programs, right? This is a particular place or particular point where you can easily adjust and set your personal and your default programs like screensavers and default wallpapers, whatever. These are easily accessible and editable by the users, as it is easily customizable by users which are having the Windows operating system on their systems or laptops. Okay, and the seventh point is remote desktop connection. It helps a user with a graphical user interface to another computer, right? इसका जो desktop connection, it's very easy to access as it has graphical user interface. That's why it's easily upgraded and accessible by the users. जो non technical users है, they can also use it with an extent of ease. So these were some slight features of Windows in this chapter. So here are various and numerous benefits of Windows which are available along with every version of this operating system. The first point is Windows allows the user to interact with the computer system, like with which devices. These are keyboard, mouse and microphone. जो आपका कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है एंड विंडोज़ के थ्रू जो यूजर्स हैं वो इजीली कंप्यूटर के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, उसके साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं उसके हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस के साथ, विच इंक्लूड कीबोर्ड, माउस एंड माइक्रोफोन्स. ओके, बाय कीबोर्ड और माउस एंड यू कैन इंस्ट्रक्ट द कंप्यूटर टू परफॉर्म एनी पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन. These devices instruct the computer to perform an operation. Okay, and the second point is controls the storage of data like images, files, music. So it handles the storage of data on an extent of ease of use. आपके पास जितना भी डेटा होएगा, वेदर इट इंक्लूड्स टेक्स्ट फाइल्स और इमेज फाइल और वीडियो फाइल्स और ऑडियो फाइल्स, इट कैन हैंडल इट वेरी इजीली. ओके, एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट इज कंट्रोल्स हार्डवेयर अटैच्ड टू द कंप्यूटर लाइक वेबकैम, स्कैनर्स एंड प्रिंटर्स. लाइक this is very easy to handle these kinds of things and these kinds of hardware system like webcam, scanner. These are very easily handled with the help of Windows with computer system. And the fourth point is helps to open and close the programs, right? You can or not users are able to open and close programs easily along with the help of Windows. For example, you can take like word processors, games, photo editors, whatever. These are some examples which you can include in this topic, and it gives them part of the computer's memory to allow them to work, right? So Windows 8 assigns a computer's memory or portion of memory or portion of storage to users in order to work them standalone. Okay, and the fifth point is controls what access to computer different users have and the computer security, right? यहाँ पे ये चीज़ देखी जाती है कि कौन सा access है जो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ यूजर्स के पास है. आगे फर्दर जो लोग कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मतलब किस यूज़र के पास किस काइंड का असेस है या राइट है, वो कंप्यूटर के कौन से पोर्शन को इजीली असेस कर सकते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज डील्स विद एरर्स एंड यूज़र इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड इश्यूज सिंपल एरर मैसेज, राइट? विंडोज़ में ये फीचर होता है जो इजीली मतलब इन सारी एरर मैसेजेस के साथ वो टैकल करता है उनको, और ट्रबल शूटिंग में भी हेल्प होती है. एंड जितने भी एरर मैसेजेस जो डिस्प्ले होते हैं उनको इजीली उनमें स्विचिंग करवाई जाती है, एंड जो यूज़र की तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शंस आती हैं उनको भी प्रॉपरली उनके साथ वो डील करता है और उनको हैंडल करता है. And the next point is it promotes multitasking by allowing the user to do several things on the computer at once. Like जो आपका कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है, जैसे आप लोग जनरली अपना सिस्टम को यूज़ करते हो, यू कैन परफॉर्म द मल्टीटास्किंग. Like you can also open an internet file on one side, and on along with it you can also fetch other files, whether this is a Microsoft Word file or Excel file or any other audio or video file. You can run these programs concurrently on the same time, simultaneously. This is possible with the help of Windows. So these are various benefits which are available in Windows programming. As we have discussed that Windows is very easy to use for technical as well as for non-technical users. So with the help of Windows, and it makes it possible to complete all the types of everyday tasks on your computer. Like आप अपने डेली रूटीन के अकॉर्डिंगली अपने जितने भी टास्क हैं उनको easily आप परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. For instance, you can use the Windows to browse the internet. You can easily fetch the internet on your computer system, and you can also send or receive the mails, or edit your photos, or listen to your music, or you can play the games in order to entertain yourself, and do much more. So these are some tasks that you can easily perform with the help of Windows. Like here we are having an example of these tasks which are displaying on the Windows desktop, and it is also used in many offices because it gives you access to productivity tools like calendars, word processors, and spreadsheets. These are some points which are considered to be as the additional utilities that are easily accessible with the help of Windows. Users can also use the calendars in order to manage their event lists, and make the reminders and alarms in order to keep them punctual for their official tasks too. And furthermore, here we have some schedule planners. You can also maintain these on the basis of your regular tasks list. Okay, this is an example. And Microsoft also released the first version of Windows in the mid of 1980s. These are some definitions of and the names of basic versions of Windows. There have been many versions of Windows since then, but the most recent ones include Windows 10, which was released in 2015, and the next one was Windows 8, which was released in 2012, and the next one was Windows 7, which was developed during 2009, and the next one was Windows Vista. It was developed and released during 2007, and the Windows XP was released during 2001. So these were some slight definitions and introductions related to Windows versions, and some its task lists. Here we have another topic in this unit which is considered to be very crucial part in Windows. It is known as the registry. जो रजिस्ट्री है इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ डेटाबेस, मतलब कि एक तरह की स्टोरेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ सेटिंग्स दैट इज़ यूज्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज़. अब इसमें कौन सी चीज़ की स्टोरेज होती है, किन चीज़ों की इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे स्टोर करके रखी जाती है, दीज आर रिलेटेड टू सम कन्फिग्रेशंस ऑफ हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस, एंड उन चीज़ों की रखी जाती है यहाँ पे स्टोरेज, like including some applications which are installed on Windows and the Windows operating system, like which applications you have installed on your system and which hardware devices which are connected to your system, and what are their Microsoft or what are their device drivers, and what are their settings, and which kind of operating system you are having on your system. So this registry includes all the storage and some information related to the settings of these devices. And the last point in this topic and chapter, we have the registry or Windows registry. It is similar to the registry, or we can also call it as a Windows registry. अब Windows registry आपके पास क्या है? This is a database of information, same as that. In this case we can also include some settings, options, and other values which are related to your software and hardware which is installed on the versions of Microsoft Windows operating system. And when a program is installed, a newly sub key is created in this registry, right? जब आपकी कोई नया प्रोग्राम या जो एप्लीकेशन है, जब आप उसको इंस्टॉल करते हो तो यहाँ पे एक उसके साथ रिलेटेड उसकी की भी जनरेट की जाती है, जिसको क्रिएट किया जाता है, एंड जो कहाँ पे स्टोर रहती है, रजिस्ट्री के अंदर. एंड दिस सब की कंटेन्स सेटिंग्स स्पेसिफिक टू दैट प्रोग्राम. जिस प्रोग्राम को क्रिएट किया जाता है और उसके साथ जो उसकी सबकी क्रिएट की जाती है, उसी सब की के पास सारी स्पेसिफिक सेटिंग्स का कंट्रोल होता है रिलेटेड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम। लाइक कौन सी सेटिंग्स होती हैं कि आपका जो प्रोग्राम क्रिएट किया गया है कौन सी लोकेशन पे क्रिएट किया गया है, विच इज़ इट्स एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन एंड व्हाट इज़ द एग्जैक्ट वर्जन ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम एंड व्हाट वेयर इट इज़ प्राइमरी एग्जीक्यूटेबल, मतलब उसको आप कहाँ पे प्राइमरली आप कहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हो। सो दिस इज नोन एज द विंडोज रजिस्ट्री। So it was the end of this unit. I hope all the topics have been properly cleared in this topic. Thank you so much.